Rainbow fun alert! We're drawing a dazzling rainbow flower today. It's time to let those colors shine. Grab your black marker and let's make a rainbow flower together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Start by drawing a big circle right in the center of your page. Now, add those gorgeous petals. Count them out loud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add some dots and lines to make your flower even more fabulous. Once your drawing is complete, make those outlines bold and sharp with your black marker. And now, let's learn the names of some vibrant colors. Indigo color, purple color, green color, yellow color, pink color, red color, orange color, sky blue color, lucent green color, bottle green color, brown color. Yellow goes right in the center. And for the petals, here come the rainbow colors, red, orange, yellow, green, sky blue, indigo, purple, and pink.
Awesome!
That's quite the colorful creation, isn't it? Great job! Fantastic work, artists! You've turned a simple drawing into a burst of colors. Keep creating and exploring. See you next time! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.